Temptations team alongside with Tara Tesher. Nice to see you.
Mwah.
Can you show everyone your gorgeous t-shirt you're wearing? Happy Dance, the Life is Good Happy Dance. These are available.
I love this.
Do you?
Wait, so I washed it. It washes perfectly. It does not shrink. It's true to size.
Nice.
Love everything about it. And the color stays gorgeous, David.
Well, we've got them available,
Love
and they're
this.
available tonight. You can talk to your operators about the Happy Dance t-shirts. We also have the Cheese and Thank You shirts
I love
as well,
that too.
which is fun. So tell us about this item, because I just used it as a baking dish.
Yes.
You're going to use it for so much more.
Yeah, and it's that perfect entertaining piece because it includes wood, it includes stoneware, it has utensils, and the heart of it is going to be this 12-inch in diameter dish right here. So it's a low-profile, shallow baking dish. Notice all the detail with the scalloping along the edge, the rope border on the old world, hand-painted on the inside. Even that edge right there, David, is painted so gorgeous. But then we've coupled it so on trend with some wood. So I love this.
it.
Notice right here, this is bamboo, the hardest wood that you can find. It has that little rivet right in there. So now I can literally use this as a trivet for this great baking piece, or I can flip it over, keep this pristine. This could be my cutting board. It could be my cheese board. So many things you can do with this. And then we're actually giving you 3 utensils that go with it. So you're going to get a fork, you're going to get that great scoop, and you're going to get the knife, all hand painted with stainless steel.
I love it.
Yeah.
And you're going to find that it's going to be great for your Friday night celebration.
Yes.
Also for your family get-togethers, for summer barbecues. There's so many ways you'll use this. You can even do a deep dish pizza in here.
Yes, exactly.
And bake it in the oven because, again, remember, this is stoneware. Now, this first one is called Egg Hunt.
Correct.
This is the one that you're holding.
Yes.
And any of our seasonal pieces, if they sell out, we won't see them again for another year.
I know, 2020.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, this is Ocean Fetty. This is brand new tonight in Old World. Here's Firework Fetty, also brand new tonight.
Isn't that so pretty for the barbecue?
Well, you know, you and I usually spend 4th of July together.
Yes, we do.
We do indeed. I usually have some folks over and we have a big celebration, and that's a lot of fun. And I ask everyone to bring a potluck dish, and you're always so nice to bring something yummy.
Yummy.
All right, here is your confetti. I also have it for you in the red. And finally, I have it for you here in the cranberry. Jump down here. Here's your color and mine, the
Love
brown.
that. It's so neutral. It's a great gift in that color.
I love this one. Here's the spice. I also have it in black. Don't forget eggplant. Green is the old world color that started it all for Temptations.
No, 17 years ago.
And one of the most popular old world colors in our assortment is blue. Now, let's jump down to floral lace. And floral lace is always so much fun because you get that gorgeous dark color on the outside with the white etching.
Yeah.
And on the inside, you get the reverse, right?
Love that,
The
yes.
white background with the colored floral lace pattern. Now, closest to me is Summer. And Summer has all the seashells. That's
Isn't it
brand new.
So pretty, David.
Really gorgeous. And baby, you're a firework. Exactly. We've got Firework, also brand new tonight. Here it is in the cranberry. I also have the red. Don't forget blue. Here it is in the green. Here's light blue. I don't know, some might call that Carolina blue. I know I would. Here it is in the eggplant. Say it with me. Chocolate. And then here's your spice. And finally, the black. All this coming together for you at a really phenomenal price. We're looking at $41.90 and 3 easy payments on your
Wow.
credit card. That's any card you use. Put it on your Q card, and that 3 pay becomes 5 pay. What do you have in the oven there, my
Yeah,
love?
it's because this is oven safe to 500 degrees, just like all the Temptations that you've been collecting. Microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe. David, this is tachos with mini pepperoni on top.
Wait. What?
And bacon.
Tachos.
Tachos.
So these are potato tots with cheese.
Look at the mini pepperoni in
and
here.
mini pepperonis.
Little pieces of bacon, and we have the hot peppers, we have some jalapenos, and just a little sour cream if you'd like.
Well, just to cool it off a little bit.
Just to cool it off a little
Well,
bit.
and you know what's nice about the sour cream? You can do a little dollop right here on top.
Oh my gosh, David, this is ridiculous, right?
Right.
So when we talk about Friday and entertaining and all of the needs that we have with the spring here and summer right around the corner, I love the fact that I bring it out of an oven, I put it on this great trivet, but again, I can do things like you said, deep dish pizzas.
Yum.
This is one of these really versatile bakers that you can now have. And look at this, literally naturally non-stick, so that my deep dish pizza, look at the underside, gorgeous.
I just wanted you to know for quality research purposes that the tachos are safe to eat.
They are safe to, well,
All
then
right.
we will leave them for the crew.
Hey, let me tell you that we have over 500 of these gone. And I've got a sellout already in one of the colors.
Ooh.
Now, brand new tonight is Ocean. Well, we have Egg Hunt.
Yes.
Let's start with Egg Hunt. So, Egg Hunt. Then I've got it for you in ocean fetty. I'm quickly falling in love with this ocean fetty.
I love that too.
Here it is in firework fetty, also brand new. Here it is in confetti. I have for you red and cranberry. Here's your brown, spice, black. We are now sold out in eggplant.
Oh, wow.
Scooch this over.
Got it.
Eggplant is gone. Green is available, and blue is available. But we are now limited in the egg hunt.
Got it.
So if you want the egg hunt, please don't wait.
I could see putting those little honey chocolates all on here with some Easter grass.
We have honey chocolates coming up.
Right?
They're not made with high fructose corn syrup. They're made with honey.
I tasted them.
Amazing.
They're fantastic.
Right?
Yes.
All right. So we also have a brand new floral lace tonight. This one is called Summer. Has the seashells.
By the seashore.
That'll be the seashells by the seashore. Yeah, that one. Is Carol Channing up in here? I don't know. And then we've got it for you in the firework. That's now limited and also brand new and most popular. Here it is in the cranberry. Here is the red. I have it for you in the blue, green, light blue, eggplant, chocolate. Here's your spice. And finally the black. How many now gone, Brian? How many gone now? Now over 800 are gone. Now here's a great example of using this like a cheese board.
And that's exactly right. That's why I love this set so much, because it's so versatile.
I'm listening. I'm just testing the touch of it.
I get it. You have stoneware, you have a cutting board, you have all the utensils. But it's so versatile because you can now use that stoneware piece just like this as a baker. But do you guys, I love, like Joe and I all the time make the charcuterie boards at home. It's so much fun to make them. Serve it like this with the paddle. It's just so, I feel like I'm so trendy. I need those Friar glasses to go with it.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. We'll have to check in with Allie to see if our foodies are asking for the wine glasses. She's giving me a big nod from across the room. Well, we were just discussing in a meeting today about perhaps doing them later in the year. So it's kind of serendipitous. I didn't know that our sets and props people had those created.
Love.
So this is kind of fun that we can check this out. Let's also tell you now that we have taken orders for over 1,000 of these are gone. Use your Easy Pay on this tonight. Remember, any credit card you use, it's on 3Pay. Use it on your Q card, it's on 5Pay tonight.
Wow.
So be sure and stick around. Hey, I do want to, as I thank Lisa Lasort.
Hi, David.
Thank you.
Nice
and
to
thank
see
you for wearing your Happy Dance shirt tonight.
Love this shirt.
Love this shirt. Can I tell you,